Hello. Welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Today, we will learn about words forms. 1 Noun. And the plus N. My or his plus N. Some few plus N. And here are the signals. Tie-in. Nation. Education. Instruction. Shan. Question. Television. Impression. Meant. Pavement. Movement. Environment. See. Difference. Independence. Peace. Ness. Kindness. Friendliness. Or. Worker. Driver. 2 Adjective. ADJ plus N. Be plus ADJ. Feel look plus ADJ. And here are the signals. Al. National. Cut Euro. Full. Beautiful. Careful. Peaceful. Eve. Active. Attractive. Impressive. Able. Comfortable. Miserable. Us dangerous. Humorous. Famous. Ish. Selfish. Childish. Ed. Bored. Interested. Excited. Why? Daily. Monthly. Friendly. Healthy. 3 Adverb. V plus ADV. ADV, SVO. And here are the signals. ADV of time. Lately. Yesterday. Still. Recently. Finally. ADV of frequency. Always. Normally. Occasionally. ADV of manner. Carefully. Anxiously. Accurately. ADV of degree. Absolutely. Pretty. Perfectly. Let's practice.